Today we're gonna make a gourmet sloppy joe, and what makes it gourmet is the veal. Over here we got a yellow onion. We're gonna only use half of it. Let's dice it up. Take your green bell pepper. You're gonna use about a third of it. Chop it up nice and finely. And now, let's get to cooking. When your pan is cold, you're gonna add a little bit of oil. You're gonna put a little bit of butter. You're gonna put in your veal. Finally, you're gonna put in your onions. Now set your pan to medium heat. Mix it up with the onions. You can mix up your onions and meat all together. Don't worry about it. Add the garlic to the pan. Put in the green bell peppers. Remember, we're making a gourmet sloppy joe. And a little bit of water. So we're gonna add some ketchup, some tomato paste, and we're gonna mix it all together. Some Dijon mustard. We're gonna put something that I always butcher in pronouncing, Worcestershire sauce. Let me just put the text on the screen so you know what I'm trying to say. Throw in 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Don't worry if it's clumpy. It will slowly dissolve into your sloppy joe. Now reduce it down for about 30 to 40 minutes. And as always, don't forget to add some salt and pepper. You know your sloppy joe is ready when you can lift up the meat with your spatula and it doesn't fall off. And there you have it, a sloppy joe. It's not supposed to look pretty. It should look sloppy, but it better taste good. Let's find out together. That sure is sloppy, but I love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe and check out these other great videos.